Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to enter BIOS in your computer. So make sure to watch the video till the end to follow the steps. Alright, so first of all, the first thing that you need to do is to actually know the specific key that's assigned to your motherboard to enter BIOS. For different motherboards, it's going to be different keys. For some motherboards, it's going to be the delete button. For some motherboards, it's going to be the backspace button, I believe. Yeah, but all you need to do is find that specific button for your PC to route you to BIOS. So if you don't know how to do that, you can just Google or use ChatGPT. So for example, my motherboard is MSI Gaming Plus 46 AM. So this is the name of my motherboard, and I'm just gonna ask what key to use to enter BIOS. And after you put that, ChatGPT is just gonna tell you what key you need to press and how to do it. All right, so it says right here, press the delete key repeatedly right after you power on the PC. So after you restart the PC, just restart. After it boots, just have to press the delete key repeatedly until you get into the BIOS settings or BIOS interface. All right, and for other motherboards, it's not gonna be the delete option. It's sometimes gonna be the F10 button, F11, F12, whatever key is assigned to your motherboard. So that's how easy it is, guys. See you all in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and you take care.